Good morning class. So we were doing mensuration exercise 20A and question number 14. The diameter of a circular field is 56 meter. Find its circumference and cost of fencing it at the rate of rupees 80 per meter. Pi, the value is 22 upon 7. So circle is given, diameter is given, circle is given and diameter is given. This is your center and this is the diameter passing through the center. So radius is equal to d upon 2, that is 56 upon 2, 28 meter. Now the formula of circumference is 2 pi r. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into r, that is 28. 7 1 is 7, 7 4 is 28, and we got this 176 meter. Now rate of fencing is given rupees 80 per meter. So cost of fencing 176 meter is 80 into 176, that is 14080. Answer. I hope this is clear to you. Now let's read question number 17. The parameter of a square, read the question carefully children, and the circumference of a circle are equal. Parameter of square and the circumference of circle are equal. So write down this first. Parameter of a square is equal to circumference of a circle. This is given to us. This is given. Parameter of square is equal to, it's not actually, ऐसा होता नहीं है, but it is given that. Okay. Now what else is given? If the length of each side of the square is 22 centimeter. If the length of each side of the square is 22 centimeter, then find parameter of the square, circumference of the circle and radius of the circle. Three things you have to find children. Now I have done this question like this for you. Now this is the square and this is your circle. This is your parameter, this is your circumference. They are given equal. The formula of parameter of square is 4 side and the parameter of circle, that is the circumference, is 2 pi r. Okay. Now each side is given 22 centimeter. So parameter of square is 4 into 22 and both of them are given equal. So circumference of circle is also 88 centimeter. Now find the radius. So take this 2 pi down. So 88 upon 2 pi and the value of pi is 22 upon 7. This 7 will go up children. Okay. Now 22 ones are 22 and 22 fours are 88 and 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. 7 twos are 14. So radius is 14. Now three things are, parameter of square is 88, circumference of circle is also 88 and radius is 14 centimeter. Now let's do question number 19. Find the diameter of a circle. Find the diameter of a circle whose circumference is given is equal to the sum of circumferences. Circumference is given the sum of circumferences of circles with radii 10 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 18 centimeter. Understand it like this. A circle is given whose circumference is equal to the sum plus of the circumferences of the circles whose radii are 10, 12 and 18. There are three circles. Radius is given. Now we'll find their circumferences and their sum will be the circumference of the final circle. So this circle is equal to circumference 1, circumference 2, circumference 3. And the formula of circumference is 2 pi r, 2 pi r, 2 pi r. But r's are different. So 2 pi 10, 2 pi 12, 2 pi 18. So 2 pi 10 plus 12 plus 18, 40 into 2, 80 pi. Now we have to find the diameter. For that you have to find the radius. Now radius is equal to 80 upon 2 pi. Pi cancels pi, 40. And diameter is equal to twice of radius, that is 2 into 40, 80 centimeter. Now understand one more thing children. Answer has come here only. If you see this thing 2 pi r. So remove this pi and this 2 are taken together. 80 pi and 2 r means diameter 80 pi and take this pi in the denominator. So answer was here only. Now it all depends upon your understanding. how you understand the things, children. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now let's do question number 21. The radii of two circles are in the ratio 3:5. Find the ratio between their circumferences. Now the ratio of radii are given 3:5. Two circles हैं, तो I have taken radius 1, radius 2. Now the ratio of their circumferences, C1 is to C2. What will the formula of circumference? 2 pi r. So 2 pi r1 for the first circle and 2 pi r2 for the second circle. Now 2 is constant, pi is constant. They get cancelled. So r1 upon r2, and the value of r1 upon r2 is 3 upon 5. So the ratio of the circumferences of the two circle is 3:5. Now let's do one more question. Question number 24. The lengths of the sides of two squares in the ratio 8:15. Find the ratio between their parameters. So ratio of the sides is given 8:15. Ratio of the parameter he is asking. So what are their parameters? In square 4 into side. So 4s1, 4s2. Now 4 is constant, get cancelled. S1 upon S2, it is given 8 upon 15. So the ratio between the parameters, ratio of the parameter of the square is, of the two squares is 8:15. Answer. I hope this exercise is clear to you. Please copy them down in your notebook and do the remaining questions of the exercise. Have a nice day.